Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
This is just a small initiative from our side, as a CSR, to help the Corporation of City of Panaji towards cleaning up of the weeds and grass which they require to do pre-monsoon. So Rohit has been our friend since a long time, and as you know, we would always be ready to support in any help that they might require in terms of betterment of the city of Panaji. And I believe Rohit is already doing a great job. The monsoon is approaching, and with the curbs which are there, with the lockdown and everything in place, it's a daunting task. And I think Rohit, as a mayor, is taking that up hands down and helping getting this thing done at the best ability possible. So I'd like to thank him.
No, I'd like to thank Prudent also personally, because I had given him a call requesting him for help, and he immediately provided us with machines. So I'd like to say thank you for that also, sir. So these machines will go a long way towards helping us get pre-monsoon work being done also. Because now we're going to immediately start deploying them in the wards, and these are extremely nice machines that he's had the courtesy of giving us also. No, I think it's good also. It's good that people actually want to help the city also. So if anyone else wants to come forward and to help us, we'll be more than grateful to accept your help also.